What's up, YouTube? Just a midweek breakdown of what I've been looking at in the markets recently. I literally just recorded this video right now, but I forgot to put on the audio. So, yeah, pretty much as I said, we had this nice indication on gold, right? We broke this previous level. If you've been following, you know that this is an important level that we were respecting the whole week. We broke it and made a bullish indication. I was waiting for price to break this resistance above get a nice retest and buy to the upside, but that didn't happen. Price ended up reversing to the downside. I was pretty much biased towards the buys, so pretty much this is why I lost on the trade. I should have been able to identify that now that we've broken this level, right? Now that we've broken this level, it should be a retest and sell to the the nearest sensitive zone. But yeah, pretty much. But also, if we look now that we've broken this sensitive zone right here, if we look at the DXY, what the DXY is doing, right, it also just broke a level right here. So anyone that is actually if you just look properly, you'll see that they're actually in opposite correlation, right? So when DXY trends bullishly, gold will trend bearishly, right? Obviously, because it's gold versus the dollar. So if the dollar is moving higher, then that will be bad for gold, which is why gold will move lower. So pretty much, yeah, that's what's happening on the DXY. So DXY is just gonna make a retest, maybe here on these lows, or potentially here even, right, to the upside. And that's exactly what we're gonna see on gold as well. Gold will make a retest maybe, or then continue to the downside. Moving on to German 30, you know, I think this one might be my favorite pair. You know, it's really nice. Moves pretty much in one direction. So if we look at German 30, we had a nice bearish indication because we broke this low. So me, obviously, I saw that price really rejected well off of this candle, like where we had a really big candle. So I saw, wow, we have a huge wick there. So I drew my zone, right? And obviously this was out of session, so I didn't trade it. The next morning I woke up and I saw that we're actually trending downwards, which was perfect. We had broken this low, and we're retesting this low right here. So I took myself position, but what I failed to realize is that this would have actually been a better position to take. As we can see, this was a low that was created. We had a retracement, and then we made the low, right? So this would have been a better place to take my entry. So basically, that trade right there is what would have been ideal, putting our stops above the retracement and putting our take profit at the next sensitive zone. But this is the one that we took, right? Yeah, but pretty much I'm starting to learn through trial and error what I do right and what I do wrong. I definitely knew where price was going. As you can see, I had already anticipated price to do that, which is why we were actually able to hop in the sells. But in terms of actually riding the trade out, no, we couldn't do that. But we moving on to Nasdaq. Nasdaq has been moving pretty nice actually. We had this touch of the sensitive zone, as you can see here, right? Previous support and resistance. So we had multiple touches coming up here. Pretty much, let me break it down to you why I thought this was gonna move. So as we can see, guys, it's the same as the German 30 trade. Basically, if you look at these candles, right, this is where we had the big candles, right? This is where we had the big candles. And if we draw a box on these wicks right here, we just put our entries there and then put our stops above the wick. Just aim for the previous low and just ride the trade. That's pretty much what I did, exactly like the German 30 trade, you know. But yeah, this would have been a really nice trade, but I don't know where I was. Tuesday at 5 o'clock. I really don't know what was happening. Maybe low trading or something. But yeah, we missed out on that trade. Nothing deep. But we can see that we are clearly bearish. We had just broken this low now. We broke low. We broke a low, right? We can see that price. I actually said in the previous video that I recorded, but I forgot to put the audio, that price is actually retesting off of this zone right here and continuing to maybe break this low. But yeah, it is what it is. I'll see on the US30 and show you guys what's going on. US30, we had identified this as this previous support and resistance, so that it was actually not a sensitive zone, but potentially, obviously I could see that we touched this the sensitive zone, therefore we're heading to the next one, right? Pretty much just support and resistance. So I wanted to wait, as price was consolidating here, I wanted to wait for a break and a retest, as you can see from this arrow that I had pointed before this move actually played out. So I literally put my short position and everything like that, just left it like this, and it happened to play out. But yeah, pretty much this would have been a perfect trade. I don't know where I was at the time. I really don't know what was going on with me, but yeah, I don't know where I was at the time. But yeah, this is pretty much what happened. I called this trade out, but I'm starting to realize as time goes, I'm starting to learn through trial and error, which is pretty much what my goal was with this whole series and me analyzing every day. Through holidays, I've just been on the charts, man, just trying to see what's going on, and it's starting to show. So basically, as you can see, I'm not getting sidetracked. I actually said that now that price is here, we want to see a break and a retest to the downside, to the sensitive zone. I said that in the previous video that I recorded, but yeah, you guys know what happened. So pretty much we just want to see price close below, maybe retest even, and then see price finish the move to the downside, and then yeah, we'll see what happens from there. But gold is trending downwards, US 30 and NAS is trending downwards, German 30 is trending downwards, dollar pairs will be trending upwards, so that's USD CAD, USD JPY, all the stuff like that will be trending upwards for a while. Maybe actually let's actually assess where price could be heading. Okay, so now that we're here, right, now that we've broken this level, I could say price is definitely aiming for these levels right here, because where else would price be going? Price is always chasing liquidity. So now that price is broken out, it's probably heading to these levels. So we can see gold make a nice downtrend move, and we'll see whether price decides to reverse here or break even further, and we'll see what happens then. Otherwise, I'll see you guys later. Yeah.